What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ Favorite. In today's video, guys, it's all about OG Fan Token, which has gone through an incredible increase in value, guys, over 170% in the last 24 hours, and it's currently sitting at $10.40. So what we're going to be going through in today's video is it time to buy it? Is it time to sell it if you already own it and you're on a profit? Or is it simply time to hold on to it before it pumps up even higher? So that's what we're going to be going through in today's video, looking at both buyers and sellers' point of view, and also looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023. How high can OG Fan Token go, and is it worth investing into this crypto in 2023? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you can see on the side, the crypto market is up slightly, nothing too crazy. And going into the Coinbase website here, we can see the market overall is down just about 0.009%, nothing too crazy, but we can see the main cryptos like Bitcoin, Ethereum, so on and so on are just about on the green side. And we do have OG Fan Token as one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours. So in the last hour, it has managed to gain over a percentage. Over the last day, 176%, guys, going from about $3 all the way up to heading over $10 is a major increase. Over the week, nearly 300% up, guys, and it all started here on the 7th to 8th of April, just about, let's say, 24 to 48 hours ago, where it started to pump up in value like crazy, and it's still ongoing right now. And over the month, nearly 300% up. Going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by 3,334%, making it $590 million in trading, which is again a massive increase in trading. Because it's the top gainer in the last 24 hours, we are obviously going to see way more people looking into the project, more investors, more sellers, and in general just a lot of people trading it, as it is getting a lot of attention. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the daily chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart right now, and at the top here we've got the SMA indicator, which is the purple line running across the chart, giving us the average value of OG Fan Token, which is here at $3.55. However, it is actually trading at a much higher value here at $10.32, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, as usual, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So we are looking at the 30-minute chart right now, and we do have the blue line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line is looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So what we essentially have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. One's looking bullish and one's looking bearish, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from OG Fan Token over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I'm expecting this crypto to be trading around the $10 to $11 mark, and again in between that time, over the next few hours, is likely to pump up higher than $11, potentially hitting about $12, $13, and then slowly starting to drop back down in value later on this afternoon, this evening, dropping down to about between $10 and $11, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is predicted towards the end of the day today. Moving on to the hourly chart. Now it is going to be biased. Only reason is it's gone through a major increase in value over the last 24 hours. So the graph thinks, you know what, this crypto is going to keep pumping, it's going to keep going up in value. And as we can clearly see, the blue and the orange line are looking very positive, heading towards the positive direction, and looking quite steep as well. And as I keep mentioning in most of my videos, whenever you see a crypto or a MACD indicator looking this steep, it's not realistic, and the exact same reason applies here. So over the next 7 to 8 days, so let's say by the end of next week, I'm expecting OG Fan Token to have dropped back down in value down to about $5 to $6 is where I'm expecting OG Fan Token to be trading at by mid to end of next week, with very minimal dips and big peaks in between. And again, that doesn't mean that it's going to be consistently hitting red candles from now on. Of course not. It's likely to hit green days, red days, up and down, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side, meaning an overall drop in value is what is expected. Now, moving on to the daily chart, once again, not looking realistic at all. In this case, is looking way too steep for it to be, pumping in value over the next 6 to 8 weeks. And again, that itself is not realistic anyway. So guys, over the next 6 to 8 weeks, so let's say mid to late May 2023, yes, I'm expecting an overall minimal increase in value from OG Fan Token, potentially hitting about $10, $11, $12, somewhere around there, because what I'm expecting is for it to drop back down in value down to about $2 to $3 over the coming weeks before it starts to slowly and steadily gain value by mid to late May, potentially hitting about $10, $11, $12, somewhere around there. This crypto has been very volatile, so it's quite hard to predict its long-term prediction. But if you guys want regular updates on OG Fan Token, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to do that for you guys. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on OG Fan Token for the short and long term as well. And again, for those of you guys who are short-term traders, I would say be careful when you're investing into the crypto right now, only because it's pumped up so much over the last 24 to 48 hours. Is bound to drop back down in value over the coming days and over the coming weeks as well, down to about $2 to $3 by mid to late April before it slowly starts to gain value. So for those of you guys who are short-term traders, I would say make sure your risk management is on point. Don't get too excited only because it's pumped up in value so much over the last couple of hours, because most cryptos, I would say, once they go for a major increase like this one here, nearly 200%, they are bound to drop back down in values at a slow and steady pace over the coming days as well. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on OG Fan Token. What I want you guys to do is let me know in the comment section down below. Are you guys expecting this crypto to keep increasing in value? Is it going to drop back down? Is it going to hit $20, $30, $40 later on this year? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And yeah, that is pretty much it guys for today's video. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash the subscribe button and like the video. And if you guys do have any other cryptocurrencies in mind that you guys want me to focus on this channel or cover on this channel, comment them down below. And that is pretty much it. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.